Hi there, I'm Thomas. In this little video here, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ChatGPT and CxPlanner together. So in CxPlanner, on the right side here, you got to be an administrator of your license. When you're that, then you can go to your avatar, click company profile, and then go for the API section. So it requires you to have the API module enabled. Within here, then you can see the different APIs that you have access to or created. And at the bottom, you can generate a new one. So here's the generate. Within this one here, then you can see ChatGPT, gonna give it a name here. Then you have some different API types. There's a static API, OAuth, OAuth PKC, and OAuth PKC public. For ChatGPT, you're going to use the bottom one, the public OAuth there, because creating that one will provide you with a client ID. So that's the single identifier that you need for the ChatGPT. On my left side here, you see ChatGPT. So when you are logged in as an administrator of your workspace, then go to the workspace settings, go to the apps. In there, you see you already have CxPlanner added. When you have that added, then it's available across the full company. That means everyone within my workspace can install and use it. Just going to click on the app details to show you. So here you see it has write access and the names and all of that stuff. But adding a new one, create, that requires you to go into the developer mode. So that's the first thing to do. Now I have enabled in the developer mode. So in here, first upload an icon, a photo. That could be the CxPlanner icon. Then you have to give it a name. I'm going to give CxPlanner access to the platform and the MCP. So the MCP server, that's https mcp.cxplanner.com. In the authentication, you got to select the OAuth. And then ChatGPT will allow you to click this one here that will load the default OAuth settings. So in here, please go in and add the client ID, and then the rest of the options here, you can leave those. Then at the end, understand, and click create. So when you do that, then ChatGPT will start or initiate the authentication with CxPlanner. And then the next step will be that ChatGPT will redirect you into CxPlanner, where you have to authorize your user to access it. So that's because ChatGPT will bind the connection to your individual user. That means everything you do will be binded to that specific user, your user. Same goes for the next users in your company who's going to request access, use the connector or app here. It will also be their own users who's connecting to CxPlanner. So that's the concept of adding the connector or the app to ChatGPT.